Hello guys, I'm hiccuping right now. Ooh! Which is intriguing. I don't know what's going on right now, but I know that I have hiccups, and I am dying of laughter off camera right now. Ooh! This little thing, this is fake. Ooh! It's like really weird. I don't know. It's like relieving air. I have to do it, or else it's like really annoying and I'll hiccup even more. I have to do the ooh thing, or else, yeah, or else I won't have the relief of getting rid of my hiccups eventually. Okay, one more. Come on. Before there's a minute of this video. Alright, whatever. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching.